Malaysia's former Prime Minister is one step closer to possibly serving the rest of his years-long jail term at home. The country's top court has dismissed an appeal to block Najib Razak from pursuing access to a royal document. The addendum order was allegedly issued as part of a royal pardon and is said to allow the ex-premier, who has been behind bars since August 2022, to serve the remainder of his sentence under house arrest. Afifah Ariffin reports.
In a unanimous decision, the three-member panel of the Federal Court dismissed the Attorney General's bid to block Najib's judicial review. This means the case will now return to the High Court for a full hearing on its merits. The court said it accepted the existence of the addendum order but was not in a position to determine if it was authentic or truly issued as part of the royal pardon, which had halved Najib's sentence and fine. Now, this ruling doesn't grant Najib house arrest, but it keeps the legal door open for him and thrusts the controversy back into the spotlight. The ruling gives Najib a legal avenue to argue that his incarceration terms should be changed, potentially allowing him to leave prison if the High Court upholds the addendum's validity. It also puts pressure on the government to defend how the Attorney General's chambers handled the matter, including questions over why the document wasn't disclosed earlier.
The addendum ought to be executed because we have something like 9 cases in the federal court that says as long as there is the decree of the young Di-Pertuan Agong, whether it is perfected or whether it is a perfect document or the decision towards it is perfect or not, is not relevant. The minute the young Di-Pertuan Agong signed the decree, you cannot question his decision.
While some 1MDB-linked charges against him have been dropped, Najib is still awaiting a verdict in the biggest trial he faces over the 1MDB scandal, with the court expected to hear closing arguments in October. He has denied all of the charges. According to political observers, the case is likely to intensify debate over institutional independence and accountability, especially with Najib still a dominant figure in Malaysian politics. Afifah Ariffin, CNA, Kuala Lumpur.